Hello hikers and welcome back. Today we're at Painted Canyon Nature Trail in Roosevelt National Park, North Dakota. Drop the device. Get away from that keyboard. Step outside into Shred World. This hike starts behind the Painted Canyon Visitor Center off I-94 at exit 32. The Visitor Center is open from May through October. We got a surprise when we finished this hike. Start behind this sign. It's a 1-mile trail with about 250 feet of elevation change. This well-marked dirt trail also has wooden bridges and log steps. The loop portion starts at this trail sign. We went left. You'll get beautiful views in every direction. A short portion of this trail runs through these trees. Around this corner, you can see all the way up to the parking lot. And then it's time to climb back up. When we got back to the parking area, this bison was grazing on the grass. Everyone got great pictures. There are other hikes off the 36-mile scenic loop drive, which starts at the South Unit Visitor Center in Medora. Wind Canyon Trail is a less than half-mile loop that starts near mile marker 10. The canyon is visible from the top of these log steps, and the river is visible from the top of this butte. Portions of the Little Missouri become visible as you hike towards the butte. You get a panoramic view from the top. And this is the trail coming back. The Boy Court Trail starts as a concrete sidewalk. And immediately, the views are impressive. At the end of the sidewalk, a dirt trail continues to a lookout point. The trail is wide, but there are some steep drop-offs on either side. And again, beautiful views from the top. This is an out and back trail. Other hikes off the loop include Skyline Vista, which is a concrete sidewalk. At the end, you can see Interstate 94, which runs through this park. There's a hike to the Old East entrance, which runs through a prairie dog town. There are scenic overlooks, like this one, and plenty of longer hiking trails, like Jones Creek. You can get a trail map at one of the park visitor centers. You'll see plenty of bison in this park. Watch out for them when you're on the trail. When you're done with the park, spend some time in Madura. It's a beautiful little town. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like by hitting the thumbs up button down below. And while you're there, why not subscribe?